Will found in Aretha Franklin's couch receives respect. RESPEC. And think that's the song that she sang? Yeah, that's right. From the jury. All right. So that's the only singing I'm going to do on today's show, folks. And I hope y'all didn't turn me off just because of that. A handwritten will in a spiral notebook found wedged between cushions in a couch months after Aretha Franklin's 2018 death is valid, a jury in Pontiac, Michigan has decided. So as a result, the 4-page document drafted in 2014 will now guide how the singer's multi-million dollar estate and royalties will be distributed among her heirs. Now, folks, how many of you listening to today's program have a will? This is one of the things that we do when you give us a call and we sit down with our clients or potential clients and we try to set up and we work with you, listening to what your objectives are. One of the things we're going to talk about, one of the questions we're going to ask you is, do you have a will?